And we're live with YouTube today. It's fourth period, technically, on Thursday, the 26th. Thursday, the 26th. You all have 2 minutes to get to class. It's 1:03. The bell rings at 1:05. The bell's going to ring. Better hurry, the bell's going to ring at 1:05. We're going to be tardy to fourth period. We have with us today, we have Noah Service, investing in stocks. All his stock investments have plummeted and lost money. We have Margaret Young. Of course we have Margaret Young. She says, "What's up, Hobie?" I wonder what Margaret Young is doing. Probably eating Twizzlers. Noah Service lost all his money and his parents' money on the stock market. Margaret's eating Oreos. Margaret is eating Oreos. Ivy is here. Ivy has purple hair today. She has purple hair. Margaret's eating Oreos. Janiyah is here. King Daka is here. Noah Service is here. Nope, Ivy has pink hair, everybody. Ivy has pink hair. And we have a class of 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a class of 6 people so far. So, since it's 1:05, I guess I better review some content with you all. Later today, I'll be posting a video which will include extra credit questions. It will include not a live, but a recorded demo, which will have 3 questions. That's right. No, I did not have any black coffee today. We were able to sleep in. Okay. So here's what the deal is. In a few days, you guys will probably be receiving an on-call from the principals. And they'll tell you that teachers will be posting stuff in Google Classroom again. Some of y'all's teachers probably have been doing that. I'm going to be doing YouTube Live and posting in Google Classroom. The Google Hangouts thing I wanted to try, but it just can't get very many people in it. So anyway, here's the deal. If you guys want to check on Google Classroom, I posted some stuff in there about balancing equations. And I'm going to go over how to do that really quick sitting here. Now, don't worry. This will be recorded, so if anybody doesn't understand, that's okay. All right? All right. I think the last time you guys were out of break, in school, we were going over chemical equations. We were going over formulas, right? Formulas like, for example, I have flashcards for you guys. Formulas like, for example, H2O. This looks backwards to me. I hope it looks forwards to you. It looks backwards to me. But anyway, H2O. You guys know from chemistry that H2O is a little subscript. 2 means 2 hydrogens, right? So what I'm going to go over here, hey, Faith. What I'm going to add to that is something called a coefficient. Okay? Subscripts can never change in a chemical formula. Otherwise, you change the formula. So you can never change subscripts in a chemical formula. However, what you can do is write coefficients, just like in math class in front. You can change the coefficient. You can only change the coefficient. All right, so what we're basically beginning here is a chemical reactions unit. Why? Because chemical reactions are fun and you guys wanted to make stuff go, right? Hi, Faith. Now, what does this mean if you write a coefficient? If you write a chemical formula and you put a coefficient in front of it, it multiplies everything. Okay? So if I have 2 hydrogens times 3, I have 6 hydrogens. If I have 1 oxygen here times 3, I have 3 oxygens. Okay, see that? 2 thumbs up. Thumbs up if you see it. Thumbs up, everybody. All right. Now, why is that important? Because when we start doing equations, you're going to see things called plus signs in them, where you start to add things to the equation. And you need to keep track of the total amount of atoms present. Okay, for example, if we have carbon dioxide and 3 waters, right, then our total amount of atoms is 1 carbon. And then we have over here 2 plus 3 oxygens. We have a total of 5 oxygens. And we have 3 times 2 hydrogens. We have a total of 6 hydrogens. Okay. Yay, thumbs up. Thank you, Janaya. Okay. So now a chemical reaction. You guys wanted stuff to go boom. Well, we're going to make it happen, but this is introducing the unit here. All right. A chemical reaction has a reactant side and it has a product side. Okay? A reactant side and a product side. The reactants over here are CH4 and there's your coefficient 2 O2s. You may have guessed this. This is oxidation. That's correct. No, it is oxidation. Okay, so you have CH4 and 2 O2s. You make CO2 and 2 waters. So you take the inventory on each side of how much stuff you have. You have 1 carbon, okay? You have 4 hydrogens. And over here you have 2 times 2, you have 4 oxygens. On the other side, you have 1 carbon. You have 2 plus 2 more, okay? 2 plus 2 more, so you have 4 oxygens. And then over here you have 2 times 2 hydrogens, that's 4 hydrogens. So on this side you have 1 carbon, 4 hydrogens, 4 oxygens. On this side, 1 carbon, 4 oxygens, 4 hydrogens. Okay, so you guys see that? Okay, I am going to write one of these, and I want you to comment with just type it out in the comments, a balanced reaction. Okay, so I'm going to write an unbalanced reaction on here, and I want you guys to type in the comments a balanced reaction. All right, let's try it. Here we go. We have H2 plus O2 gives you H2O. And I want you to put in the blanks coefficients. I don't care if you can't subscripts in the comments. That doesn't bother me. If you guys can, tell me what goes in those blanks right there. Just put it in the comments. What numbers go in those blanks right there? I will leave the reaction up. You have H2 plus O2 gives you H2O. So what number goes? I know, Margaret, you can't see it. I get it. I'm going to hold it up there again. Can you guys still hear me? Hello? I hope you can hear me. I hope you can hear me. All right. Put what goes there, what goes there, and what goes there. Okay? So we're going to take, you guys need to take an inventory of how many hydrogens are over here, how many hydrogens are over here. You have 2 oxygens here, you only have 1 here. So what needs to happen is you have to write a number in front here and a number in front here. You may not change that, you may not change that, you may not change that. So write a number here and write a number here. What number? Audio sucks. Okay, let's see if we can solve that. Hey, what happened to my light? What number goes there? Put numbers where? Just type them in the comments. See if I can fix the audio. Hello? Okay. Any better with the microphone? All right, so you guys say 1. Margaret says 2. Margaret is right. What about this one? You said 2 here. What about this one over here? You're putting numbers where the question marks are. No, king to cod, it's not a 1. Shania, it's not 1. Margaret's right, it's 2. So you would put a 2 here. Now, what goes in this one? Yes, correct, king to cod, 2. Okay, so we put 2s in those spaces, right? Okay, so we have 2 times 2 here. That's 4 hydrogens. You have 2 oxygens. Over here you have 4 hydrogens and 2 oxygens. Yes, Margaret, 2 again. Why? I will write it out. Okay. Over on this side, we have 2 times H2s. We have 2 of them, so that makes 4. We have 1 O2, so that makes 2 oxygens. So we have 4 hydrogens, and we have 2 oxygens on this side, on the reactant side. Yes. Now, on the water side, over here, we actually have the same thing. Okay? 2 times H2 is 4 H's. 2 times O, 2 oxygens. See? They are the same on both sides. Great job, King to Ka. Hopefully the audio is still good. I'll wear headphones next time. All right? Now, we'll do one more problem just for practice, and then later I'm going to put up a video and have you guys comment on the answers in Google Classroom. Good, Ivy. Here we go. Ready? N2 plus H2 gives you NH3. Okay, try to write that down or take a picture of it. You have N2, H2, and NH3. You need a number that goes here, question mark, and here, question mark. All righty. What numbers are going to go in those question marks? Comment. Comment. Nothing here. That's already fine. The answers are going to be here and here. Which ones, Margaret? 3 and 2, Ivy? Yes. Yes, correct. Nice. Okay. You're going to put a 3. And you're going to put a 2. That's exactly right. Nice job. Okay. We'll take inventory. We have 1 times N2. We have 3 times H2. We have 2 nitrogens. We have 6 hydrogens. Over here, same thing. 2 times N equals 2 nitrogens. Over here, 2 times H3 equals 6 hydrogens. Boom. Good job, guys. That's exactly right. Okay. 1 times 2, 2 nitrogens. 3 times H2, 6 hydrogens. Okay, 2 times nitrogen, you got 2 nitrogens. 2 times 3, you got 6 hydrogens. Nice job. Okay, so let me tell you what's going to happen later today. Okay? I can't do this inside, so I'm going to have to go outside for this. It won't be a live video, but I'm just going to tell you what's going to happen. Okay? You guys will be presented with 2 equations. One of them is photosynthesis. Okay, what do the plants do? Well, the plants take CO2 and water, and they make glucose and water. You'll be presented with that. And then, well, what do you do with the plants? Well, what do you think you do when you're doing chemical equations and oxidation? You burn them with gasoline. So you take octane, CH818, add oxygen to it, it will produce CO2 and water. Those are the 2 reactions you guys are going to balance later today. You do not have to do that right now. It will show up again in the Google Classroom in another YouTube video. Okay, questions and comments? All right, when you guys get off of here, check out the Google Classroom. There's a PowerPoint slide on how to balance chemical equations. And there's also an older YouTube video on how to do it if you want another practice. These will be your questions later today. The answers to those will be you'll have to comment in the Google Classroom in order to receive your extra credit points. So balance those 2 equations today for extra credit points, or, Margaret, 100s on all your missing work grades. Hashtag completions. Okay, so that covers what we were doing today on the YouTube Live portion. Thank you, my loyal followers. Please spread the word. YouTube Live is back on. Virtual school is back on. Smash the bell. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes, I will practice distancing outside. Outside is where you get away from people that are inside. Make sure you tell your friends to smash the bell so they get notifications. Hashtag generals. Good job today, people. I'll have more for you later. Bye.